What was that?
Hey, what's up? It's James.
What's going on, everybody? It's Jonas. Welcome to another episode of Kompa In English.
Before we get started, like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, HAP, Haitian American Productions, of course. And
please go ahead and hit up our podcast page, which is Let's Parlay Podcast here on YouTube. Just type it in the search thing and you'll find it. Subscribe to that. We drop an episode every Monday. And you'd like to hear what we have to say because we talk a lot of shit.
Let's get started. My song today is Harmonique, Shelly Bam. You guys asked for it. We listen. We gonna do it because, you know, we gangster.
The song I'm doing today is, who the f sings this shit? The Haitian Toubadou, and these two specific gentlemen, Eric Charles and Eugene. It's called Aizan. For a reason. We'll get to that in a second.
Sweetie, shower me, pour water on me. Sweetie, shower me, pour water on me. Couple things here. He's not talking about soap and water. He's not talking about nothing that has to do with anything like hygiene at all.
Your pussy.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is crazy because he's explaining, right? He says, I'm not sheltered. I'm not shy, baby. Okay? I'm so revealing. I'll tell you everything. Ain't nothing. I ain't hiding nothing, baby. Yeah, I said that. I'm throwing all my marbles in here. All of them. All my marbles on the table. For you.
La pluie poco fin tomber.
The rain hasn't stopped. Look at how your body is wet. I would assume this is from her vaginal juices. I'm not sure what's going on here. I'm trying to follow along. If you guys know what's going on here, please chime in the comments.
I know all the things that you do are good. Everything you do is good. You're a good girl. But you got to sacrifice some things, right? Now you talking about sacrifice. He get real deep, trust me. Baby, I'm ready to sacrifice my whole life for you. James, when you talk about sacrifice, what do you think this man talking about?
I thought he was talking about money, man. Your thighs are trembling. I haven't even started. Look me in the eye. Sweetie, you must continue. What is it with Haitian men and looking women in the eye, man? Like forehead to forehead thing and
So y'all like Aizan? Yep, he said Aizan. Now, if you don't know who Aizan is, it's a Haitian Roi, aka it's like a voodoo god of like told you. It's
How
gonna
do you know that?
He does voodoo. No, I educate myself. I had to Google it. Aizan, you have to give me this woman. He's praying that. He's praying to this woman. He's praying to this God saying, you have to give me this woman. If you don't give me this woman, I am going to scream and howl. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is the second song in a row that I've seen some dog howling in here, Jimmy. What's up with Haitians and woes?
I feel like you're going to explode your blank and you won't stop yelling. Now, I put blank because I don't know what Genie.
How do you spell it?
J-I-M-I, I believe, or was it J-E-M-I? She's gonna explode. He's eating her out.
Aizan, you have to give me this woman. That's the one I want. She's the one that I really like, AKA love. He's doing anything at this point. The man is making voodoo sacrifices to get, yeah, look, listen, y'all talking about, we willing to go to the voodoo links to get your love. We turning goats into, we sacrificing goats for love. Sick of this. Y'all don't know how far we go. Play this Jane.
You grab me and start to bite me. I like that. I don't. You continue to squeeze me. You don't want to let go. Throughout the entirety of the first hook, the first bar, the whole, I don't know what you're describing. I'm not sure. Because you started out with, sweetie, shower me, pour water on me, and then you said, look me in the eye. So you can't really be doing.
He's describing the whole sex act, like literally, like the whole thing.
Like one after another?
Yeah, it's in chronological order for him.
It would have to be, but how is she starting out pouring water on him? And we know it's not water, it's not bath water.
She started off squirting.
Jesus.
Aizan, you have to give me this woman. The woman took my spirit. I'm telling you, in all my truth, he says that, en vérité, in my truths, she zombified me.
Why would you want to be with a woman?
The man's he's with all the voodoo shit. Fuck this. So that's how some of y'all be getting caught up with these Haitian niggas.
Don't ever let a Haitian nigga blow in your face.
Don't let a nigga do, if he do something with your panties, girl, you gonna be up.
If you liked this edition of Kompa In English,
go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share it, comment, let us know what other songs we should do. If we fuck up with our translations, which we probably will do, we honestly don't care, but we want to hear what you have to say about it anyway.
And if you want us to do more of these, please comment whatever song that you want. Whatever one we see the most of is the one that we will do.
Until next time, I'm gonna go work on my voodoo game so I can get some love too.